how to create a parenting and family support services website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and here it will take us to the templates that can help us build our own website. As you can see, we can filter those templates by the type, if you are building an online store or a portfolio or a memberships, or we can also filter by the topic. If your website is about art and design or photography or health and beauty or food or parenting and family support services, which is our niche. So let's see if we can find that niche in here, something about parenting or family. So I can't seem to find that in here, so I'm just going to go with professional services, and let's see what this platform can offer us. So let's see if we can find anything about parenting. This is a blank template if you want to build your own template from scratch. So this is an empty template you can use if you want to build a template from scratch. So let's see what we can find. Let's see if we can find a template for parenting. Take control of your business. Find your happiness. Brandy Ortiz, I don't know what's that. We have the new home builders. Design for life. It's about mental health. Sports, real estate, food, yoga and meditation. So I think we don't have anything about parenting. Let's see if we can find something about parenting, teachers, finances. So we have nothing about parenting, but we can use a similar template to our requirements, like this one. It's about mental health collective, so we're going to go with this template. Click on preview clove, and you'll be able to see the website by clicking on view demo site. It will make the website full width, and here you can see your website and check it and see if it fits your requirements. Coaching, psychiatry, therapy. So this template fits me, so I'm just going to close this tab and click on start with this design and wait for them to set things up for you. It will take just seconds, and here they will request you to give them a title for your website. So you just wait for the page to load, and then you will be able to type in a title for your website, as you can see in here. Then you will be able to click on continue and close these tabs. We don't need them anymore. Then we have in our list a lot of sections that I'm going to explain each one of them for you to make things easier while creating your website. So the first one is website, and it's where you can create pages or adjust the ones that you already have, or delete them if you don't like them anymore, in this button here. Then we have the commerce section, and it's where you can add products or change the ways that you want to get paid, or change the ways that you want to sell with, like memberships or custom merch, or manage your inventory, customers, orders. Then we have the marketing section, and from the name it's pretty obvious everything that is related to growing your audience, from the email campaigns to the SEO appearance to the promotional pop-up. Then we have the scheduling section, and it's where you can set up your calendar and your appointment settings for your clients to set or book appointments or meetings with you. Then we have the asset library, and it's where you can save your files or your images to use them later on while designing your website. And then we have the analytics, and it's where you can see your dashboard. You can check your sales, traffic, geography, revenue, units sold, and orders or conversion rate. You can see all of that in here, basically all of your data. Then we have the profiles, and it's where you can check the profiles of your customers or your clients. You can change their profiles, or you can delete someone's profile from here. And then we have the help, which is pretty obvious. If you have any problem or encounter any problem, you can find a solution for it in this section. And then we have the settings, and it's where we can set up our domain name, and we can also set up our Google Workspace, or we can change the site's availability from private to public, or change the site's languages, or we can also set our store payments or our payment processors, like connecting our Stripe or connecting our PayPal or our Square if we are from the United States only. Or you can also change your store's currency from the United States dollar to any currency you would like. Let's go back to home. So let's go back to home, and let's click on edit to proceed to the editing phase. So this page will expand to give us more space to handle the designing, as you can see. And here, by clicking on this button, you can edit the site's header, and by scrolling down to the bottom, you can edit the footer also, and you can edit everything in between those two, from blocks to sections to the shape of the buttons to texts. You can either remove the section or move it up or down, or duplicate it or edit it from this button. So you can pretty much change everything in the template. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I accomplished that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends to support us when making new videos.